Hello students, today you are going to learn how to write a formal letter in English. A formal letter is a letter that is written in the formal language with a specific format for business or official purposes. With the advent of email, it is becoming less and less common to write letters. But the few letters that you will write will probably be very important ones, such as covering letters for job applications, covering letters for questionnaire or surveys which are part of your research, or letters of complaint to your bank manager. In English, there are a number of conventions that should be used when writing a formal or business letter. Furthermore, you try to write as simply as clearly as possible and not to make the letter longer than necessary. Remember not to use informal language like contractions. Let's move on to the headings you have to consider when writing a formal letter. First, you have to write your name and your address. Your address should be written in the top right hand corner or in the top left hand corner of the letter. The modern way of writing the address is the top left hand corner of the letter. Then you have to write the date. It is better to write the month as a word. Then you have to write the receiver's address. That means the address of the person you are writing to. Then comes the salutation or greeting. If you do not know the name of the person you are writing to, use Dear Sir or Madam. If you know the name, use the titles such as Mr., Mrs., Miss. Then comes the title of the letter. Here, you have to write a briefing sentence of the body of the letter. The body of the letter. This is the main part of the letter. Skip one line after the title and begin writing the body of the formal letter. This should be very brief and coherent. It is best to use short, clear, logical paragraphs to state your business in brief. Then, the ending of the letter. If you do not know the name of the person, end the letter using yours faithfully. If you know the person, end the letter using yours sincerely. Then you have to sign the letter, and beneath the letter you have to write your name. Here are some useful phrases for writing formal letters. Read them carefully and attentively. When you are writing formal letters to request information, these phrases will be useful for you. Go through them carefully. Here is a model letter for you to study. Read it carefully. Hope you learned how to write formal letters well. Here are some exercises for further practice. Please do them.